So you know, the thing is that actually life is always gonna try and throw something at you to get you out of your inner resting position, you know. But let me tell you this, all the outer stuff and all the outer realm can do what the fuck it wants to do, you know, because literally the only thing that really matters is your inner most satisfying state of peacefulness, of resting humbleness, which is gonna be giving you the support from the universe, you know what I mean? Like, the energy is always gonna be with you if you keep yourself rather chill, you know what I mean? Like, never try to go with that chaotic dynamic. Instead, try to find this inner beauty of the resting Zen position, where you can just chill the fuck out because you're feeling like, okay, all this nonsense has nothing to do with me, you know, because if there is no me, literally, how can it affect you or me? You know what I mean? Like, if you get this idea into your mind, then you will realize why Mr. Buddha said that this will get you out of this how do you say it? This will get you out of the chaos grip. You know, if you have no self, you will be out of this chaotic shit. Literally. Everything will just drop into its now space, 0 point awareness, nullified presence of being, where there is nothing anymore happening in terms of oscillation of the energy. It will just be a pure and steady flow. You know what I mean? And that flow will be very peaceful and no longer disturbing you in any way or form. You know? Because that is just really what this is all about. When it doesn't disturb you, only the good can follow, because with your peaceful nature you show the universe that it is literally on your side. Or let's say you show it that you don't fear, and with that signal you give the universe the opportunity to send this peaceful energy back to you, you know? So yeah, peace the fuck out, just enjoy your day. I'm out.